My name is Howard Schachter, and I am president of Plasticycle Technologies. 56 billion bottles are generated every year. In the past, only 15, maybe 20% of those bottles have been recycled. We are dedicated to resource recovery. We're not only taking a waste material that is damaging to our landfills across the country, we're also dedicated to returning these materials into useful products in many industries. We receive bottles by truck transport, and they come in and they are what we classify as baled form, compacted into anywhere from 700 to 1,000 pound parcels prepared for us so that we can handle them with forklift equipment. The driver unloads them and takes them directly into a process area that consists of 2 parallel conveyors, and they are broken and then dispersed onto the belts that are part of the conveying system. This process is designed to handle specifically PET bottles, which is short for polyethylene terephthalate plastics. And the ultraviolet light detects contaminants within the bottle stream. The contaminated bottles are removed before grinding. The grinder consists of a rotary drum with knives that are spaced properly, and they attack and shred every bottle as it passes through. The bottles are retained into the grinder because we have a screening device within the grinder that takes the bottle shreds down to 1/4 to 3/8 inch. The plastic chips are then delivered to a paper separator. An airflow is continuously moving and enabling the lighter paper particles to separate from the plastic chips. With paper now removed, the chips go forward by conveyor into a water bath. A proprietary soap compound is added to 170-degree water in an effort to remove contaminants, so the chips are now prepared to go forward. The material, contaminant-free, is now moved out with another conveyor, and that moves across into a dewatering station. Any residual soap compound and contaminants are washed from the chip. Stage 1 is just continued cleansing and soap removals. Stage 2 is final rinsing in preparation for drying. Here the PET plastic chips sink to the bottom while the polypropylene caps rise to the top and are skimmed off continuously. Material passes from the rinse baths through a centrifugal heated dryer en route to the cyclone prior to packaging. Chips are now ready for market, and the next time you lace a shoe, don a shirt, pick up a tote bag, or walk on a carpet, there's a good chance that you're using our product. Just as the bottles are being recycled, so is the water that's employed in the process. All the water from every station gets taken out and is continuously cycling through our water recycling system. The use of recycled plastics is another way of reducing global warming and eliminating the cluttering of landfills across the country.